You ever feel like your smartwatch is watching you age and just silently judging you? Well, Samsung might have just taken that idea literally, because the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic isn't just a smartwatch anymore. It's a wellness detective, a battery tank, and maybe, just maybe, a bold jab at Apple's Ultra. But don't get too comfortable, because one of these new features might make you think twice before putting it on. Let's break down 7 game-changing updates on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and why this might just be the smartest watch Samsung's ever made. Or not. First up, the design. Yup, the leaks were right. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is going full Ultra mode, borrowing more than a few cues from the Galaxy Watch Ultra. But here's the twist. It's not a straight-up clone. The rotating bezel, back and bolder, with deep anti-slip ridges that scream functionality. And the body, slightly more circular, giving a nostalgic nod to the Gear Sport era. Remember that one from 2017? Yeah, feels like Samsung just went vintage shopping. And while it may look like a cousin of the Ultra, this design plays it safe. Maybe too safe? Honestly, it kind of feels like the Watch Ultra in a different outfit, like showing up to a wedding wearing the same suit as your nemesis, but with a better tie. Would a fully circular redesign have been riskier? Sure, but it might have also made this watch stand out instead of blending in. And just when you think you've wrapped your head around it, boom, here comes twist number 2. This year there's only one size, and it's thicker, like noticeably thicker. We're talking 2mm chunkier than the Watch Ultra, and over 3mm beefier than the Watch 6 Classic. Now, if that means more battery, great. But for anyone with slimmer wrists, this might feel more like wearing a hockey puck than a sleek smartwatch. Still, power over aesthetics, right? Or are we lying to ourselves? Here's where the excitement fizzles. Samsung is still rocking that same old 10-watt charger. You're still waiting nearly 2 hours for a full charge. In a world of fast-charging everything, that's kind of embarrassing, not gonna lie. It's like ordering a high-tech espresso machine and realizing it still takes 5 minutes to make coffee. But don't worry, the Watch 8 Classic has a few wildcards left. This is wild. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic now tracks your antioxidant levels. But to do it, you've got to take the watch off and press your thumb on the heart sensor. Kind of weird, right? Still, what it's measuring is actually deep. Free radicals, aging, cellular damage. It's like the watch is gently whispering, "Hey buddy, maybe don't eat pizza 4 nights in a row." Suddenly, it's not just a smartwatch, it's your conscious, on your wrist. And Samsung isn't done with the guilt trips. There's now vascular load monitoring, a fancy way of saying, here's how badly your lifestyle is stressing out your heart. Add to that a personal health coach, and now your watch is basically a gym trainer that never sleeps. Excited? Nervous? Good. That's the point. Also new? Gemini is replacing Google Assistant. Voice interactions? Faster, more natural, less, "Sorry, I didn't catch that." And with One UI 8, Samsung's going pill-shaped for tiles. Yeah, pill-shaped, on a circular screen. Make it make sense. But hey, if it works, it works. So yeah, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is stacked, but it's also a bit confused. It's smarter, bulkier, older, yet newer. A stylish throwback with next-gen guts, but still holding on to some last-gen limitations. And just when you think you've seen Samsung's best for 2025, they go and drop the Z Fold 7. But trust me, something feels off. That launch, it's not what you think. And once you hear it, you won't look at foldables the same way again. Click here to watch. Z Fold 7 is here, but something feels off. You don't want to miss this one.